This thing works so good. I love it. Right now I have it next to, it's in my bedroom, and it keeps everything nice. It's just like a refrigerator. I can't believe how well it is. It cools, and you can easily just change the temperature with here. It's a nice size, as you can see. This is a bottle. This is some yogurt, so you can fit a few things in here. Not too much, but you don't need too much in here. It is a cooler that you can take on the go with you, which I like that it comes with two different plugs. One that goes right into your car, and then one that you can plug into the wall. So I really love that. And obviously these are here for 2 cup holders, but it's a nice device. Yes, it's a game changer for me.